Hey everybody, it's Roland Arreal from Complete Trader Academy with another daily review. This is US 30, Dow Jones, October 12, 2022. Let's jump right into it here. So we're still consolidating. We had the news coming out tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, and thought we'd see some big movement today, but nothing. Still flat, still consolidating. Matter of fact, a lot of people didn't even trade today. But there were some trades. There's trades always every day in the scalp manner. So today, this is today's candle, Wednesday. This is the new candle starting at 6 p.m. So what did price do? Price came to test close to this daily imbalance. We thought we would rise above and take out this high, get into this imbalance. Didn't happen. But sometimes, which is not a good sign for bullishness, in my opinion, because price will generally inch its way up and to fill the imbalance, and it didn't. And technically, it just retested that daily imbalance, the low. Well, the high of this candle, but the low of the imbalance. So technically, that's showing me that it doesn't need to do its job. And right now, it's still it's still bear. Doesn't matter. This candle just started, but same time, this was a bearish candle, so it wasn't bullish. That doesn't look good for bulls. But at the same time, news can take it any direction. Obviously, we have interest rates coming out that are still going to be high. I mean, their schedule for interest rates are going to be high for, they said, into another like year or something. So if that's the case, and they want to take off some of that balance sheet, if the interest rates are going high, that means that the dollar is going high. If the dollar is going high, that means stocks are going down. So we're looking still for bearish momentum or direction. All right, let's go into I'm going to skip a 15 and go to 5 because it was that choppy. Actually, I'll just show you. Look how nasty it was today. Look how ugly this is. I haven't seen a day like this in a very long time, actually. It hasn't gone anywhere. Ping-ponging, choppy manipulation, very ugly. But the trades to catch, I'm going to go on a smaller 5 and a 1 so you can see it. So here's the 5-minute. All right, price was, this is all London. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, but it broke and made a lower low, technically. So when you saw that, that was a break, and when it retraced, it didn't take out this high. So it didn't make a new higher high. This was a big red flag that we were going to see down prices. So when you analyze that and you saw that, so you could have sold it here, but this was 5:30 in the morning. I was not awake. Then price broke down, still no higher high, but technically we broke here, so we could see, I mean, it could still have went above here, so there wasn't really that much justification, but we're in a probabilities game, and if we're going to see lower prices and this is a retrace coming up, that means we want to see a sell from this supply block here. Price came in, engineered liquidity quickly, meaning came back down and came up. So it used fuel to take out liquidity here, get into this supply block, and then fall off. Some people would use this wick, but wasn't that serious. Price came up. As soon as it did that, you could have been a seller. Price opened up at news. I don't know why they like to do that. So this is 8:30. News shot down, came back up. Let me zoom in for you. Came back up. So right here, you could have been a seller here because on a 1 minute, you'll see why in a moment. But you could have added another position there, took that down, price then. This was a 3 drives, 1, 2, 3. 3 drives is generally a sign of reversal. And so it was. Price came down, came back up into this. You'll see a block in here on the 1 minute. Sold off. Took out this low. Ended the 3 drive. Wicked. And that gave justification of a reversal for me. And took out the liquidity. Sorry, it's really late. So I just did a consulting one-on-one with someone. Took forever, but all right. So it went up, came back down. Could have been a buyer here. You'll see on the 1 minute. Actually, let's just go to the 1 minute. So where are we? Here we go. Much more clear on the 1 minute today. Hope this is good enough to see. So yeah, price came up on the 5 minute to that block here. Took out the liquidity here. And then as you saw price breakdown, that was a good, either you took a sell limit here or you could have took a sell stop. Either one would have worked. Big imbalance came down right here. So see this line right here? Boom, price came back up. Balance this imbalance, tapping above that high, immediate seller, definitely a sell limit here. Price kept breaking down, came back up into this supply block here, starting at the open, generally at the open. Wicked it. Look how perfect that was. Look at the numbers up here. The open on this candle was 29,277. The high 29,277. Perfect. So this is the type of precision you're looking for. You know, some people just say, "Oh, you know, I took the trade off of it coming into the zone." Well, okay, but you want specific numbers meeting price delivery that way. Price came down, took out this low, 3rd drive. We saw this. Price came up, came down here with this. Immediately buy. I mean, even if you took the buy when it entered, you have 192 versus 153. So it's like 40 points. Not much. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, it's pretty good. Price rallied up, came back down, got into this imbalance here. See that? Didn't come down here. I thought it was going to come down here. It didn't, but sometimes it doesn't have to, or even here, but didn't have to. This was, see, the body never went down, just wicked. So took that as well. And then price just choppy the rest of the day. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, but coming down into this block here. This demand block right here, see that? Price never closed down below it, just wicked in all entries. And then my goal was to reach this daily imbalance. Yeah, this is the 1 minute. To reach that daily imbalance that we keep looking for up there. But doesn't want to go up there yet. So you want to close trades after a couple breaks down. So and that was the day. So pretty flat. And that concludes this video. Everything else is pretty much the same from every day. We're looking to go up in the news, hopefully to attack. What I'd like to see is to, again, price to come and take out this high, fill in balance, get in here, take some of this. Might not even make it. Well, no, who knows? Might just come and take down these lows first. I don't know. I'm starting to feel that way. But we'll see. All right. Take care. God bless.